Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you tips to farm the chocolate coins faster in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Easter update. Okay, and this is their update. As we know that we need to farm the chocolate coins to buy the Easter seeds from the Easter shop. And I'm going to show you guys the trick to get the chocolate coins faster. Okay, basically, if you want to get it faster or farm the chocolate coins faster, you need to join every event in this update. The first one is the evil bunny event. You need to sacrifice your plant to this evil bunny and you will get the chocolate coins. Okay, 100 chocolate coins. And the second event that you need to join is the egg war event. And I think this is the fastest way to get the chocolate coins. The egg war will happen every hour in the game. So every hour you need to stand by in the game to join this event. And I would like to recommend you to play in your private server. So you don't need to compete with the other players. And it will give you more chance to get the chocolate coins. And the next one, you can join this event. This is a new event from the Easter update part 3. Okay, you need to submit the candy type plants to the candy box, and then you will be able to claim the reward. This is for the solo reward. Okay, it will give you 1,000 chocolate coins, but you need to reach certain points here. Okay, and the last method is planting the Easter seeds in your garden, Just plant the Easter fruits or Easter Easter type of plant, and then you can collect them. Then you can sell them, and it will help you to get 1,000 chocolate coins, just like this. Okay, every time the the seed is restocked from the Easter shop, you can immediately buy the seed and plant it in your Easter garden. Okay, and yeah, that's all the tips from me, guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.